Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see how to do Paniyaram or Appe with quinoa. For this, take 2 cups of quinoa. To this, add a cup of parboiled rice, half a cup of urud dal, that is split black gram, and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Clean this with water. Now add enough water to soak this and leave it for about 5 to 6 hours. This is after 6 hours. We can grind this now. Add enough water and grind this well in portions. The batter has to be thick like this. After grinding the whole lot, add the required amount of salt and mix it well. Now let us leave it overnight for fermentation. This is perfect. This is after 10 hours. Here, half of the batter we'll use it for spicy paniyaram and the other half we are going to make sweet paniyaram. For the spicy version, add some oil in a pan. To this, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of urud dal, that is split black gram. Once the mustard starts popping, add half a cup of chopped onions, few curry leaves, 1 or 2 chopped green chilies, and about 1 cup of grated carrots. Saute the carrots till it is half cooked. Add the required amount of salt and saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is ready. Now let us take half of the batter . To this, add the sauteed carrots. Give a nice mix and we are going to add a little amount of water into this. Don't make it too loose, the consistency has to be like this. The spicy batter is ready. Next we'll move on to the sweet version. Take 1/4 cup of water in a pan. To this, add 1 cup of jaggery. Heat this till the jaggery melts. The melted jaggery is ready. Now take the other half of the batter. To this, add half a cup of grated coconut, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and the melted jaggery. Don't make the batter too loose, so add the jaggery accordingly. So this is also ready. Now get ready with the paniyaram pan. Pour some oil in it. First, I'm going to prepare the spicy version. We'll close this and cook for a few minutes. One side is ready. Now turn the other side. Once both the sides are cooked properly, you can take it out. The spicy paniyaram is ready. We are going to follow the same procedure for the sweet paniyaram. The sweet paniyaram is also ready. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.